Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. Hope everyone okay, staying home safe. So we just went to the shop is closed, nobody come inside, so they just play outside the shop and they just run around and see what's going on because there was that board at home and we need to do some work there. So let's see what's going on.
Alia, bed.
Go catch it. Go catch it. Yeah.
I do part of gun school. I was got after with and I was taking kidnapped in metals. I like metals. But then why you didn't go after? You were sharing metals in house. Rubber. Okay, we were taken after then. Okay. And I lost my mom in after. You lost your mom.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
And then a man take him to mom.
Didn't the man take you to the mom? Yeah. Oh. When I was a baby in this.
You are still a baby, Alia.
When I was a baby, I lost my mom.
When?
Saru ne lost you, your mom.
You see, no, July was lost.
ये तो हमेशा opposite चलता है ना?
Mommy, July was lost last week. July was lost.
Yeah, you lost in traffic center.
Yeah, I was lost in traffic center
And
when.
Bushi have lost in traffic center as well.
Yes. I've lost my mom.
Yeah, you
I lost my papa and my mama. When I watched the TV. When I was in craft center, I was getting my costume, and I lost my mom. Everybody's got lost all day. Yeah.
I'm going to make pizza. So this is pizza dough. That's the sauce we need for pizza. Some capsicum, pineapple, onions, sweet corns, and I'm gonna make the chicken as well now. And we need some cheese. Is here. So tell you what to do next. Because of the lockdown, we prefer to make it at home rather than buy it from outside. So let's see what we do next. And that's the spices we need for chicken, which is salt, chili powder, black powder, ginger powder, white pepper, and some chicken tikka masala. So that's it. Then I'll show you what to do next. So here is my chicken, which I already washed it properly and cut it in very small pieces. Now I'm going to put the oil. Make sure you put just a 1 tablespoon oil. I put it too much, so I have to take it out afterward. So what I'm going to do now, in the oil I need to mix all the spices. Put a bit of water and mix it. And I forgot to tell you before, we have to put ginger garlic paste as well. 1 tablespoon is more than enough. So we'll put ginger garlic paste, mix it properly, and then after this we need to add our chicken inside, and we need to wait till it get a bit of soft. When it's properly soft, and then we see what we do next. So that's my chicken. So make sure you dry all the water from inside, very dry. And I'm gonna put oregano in there, just a bit, just a pinch is more than enough. So just sprinkle it on the chicken, and after that I'm gonna add a pinch of thyme as well. Just a pinch is enough. So here मैंने डो को अच्छी तरह बेल लिया in a round shape, and chicken water already dried up as well. So now I'm gonna put my pizza sauce on the dough, and then I'll tell you what to do next. So here pizza sauce is done. Now I'm gonna put some cheese on it, and then some bell peppers. Spread it very nice and equally on it. So अच्छी तरह spread कर लेंगे bell peppers, and then we add, next step is some onions on it. Nicely spread evenly, and then we put some chicken chunks, all the chicken all over the pizza. So I put everything on. So in the last I'm gonna put some pineapple and some sweet corns on, and then we're gonna put a cheese on the top as well, and then it's ready, and we're gonna put it in the oven. So here my pizza is ready in the oven. I'm gonna take it out and then put it in the plate, and I'm gonna fry some chips with it. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for my next video. Allah Hafiz.